Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one, leaving you with a humble and caring experience. Dansoy Cook. All right, YouTube, for today, Sunday, we got a bonus episode. We're going to make Mayo Cheese Bread. This is very simple. You pick the bread of your choice. I already have everything put in here. You're going to need a third of a cup. You're going to need this. And measure out a third of a cup of cheese, white onion, mayo, and butter. And then parsley is optional. But the thing is, since we have this all laid out in here, we're going to just mix this all up with a spoon, and then we'll add the parsley. All right, YouTube, we're going to mix this all together. And it helps to use softened butter. Sometimes this will take a little while, so you're going to want to just keep whisking this and moving it all together, and then after that, we will add the parsley. Alright, YouTube, so we're halfway there. You just want to keep mixing it like I said, and once we get that set, we'll throw in the parsley, and then we'll put it on the bread and put it in the pan. And like I said, this is a really quick and inexpensive recipe that you can make really easily for you and your family. Alright, YouTube, so you see that we have that butter done. Now we're going to add the parsley. So just throw that parsley in. It's optional. Stir that about, and then we'll put it on the toast. Alright, YouTube, so you see how quick that is. Now take this butter and use the back of your spoon, and you're going to want to do all three pieces. And while we're doing that, come over here to your pan and turn this on to medium and get that started, and then we'll put the bread in there. Alright, YouTube, so we are done with that toast. And now, YouTube, you're going to want to just put these in here. And we have the pan on medium. The thing you're going to want to do is put the cover on here. And the thing you can also do is if the thing is not melting as fast as we want, we could throw water around here and then the cover, and steam will definitely melt it. Alright, YouTube, so our cover is on, and like I said, we just have to give it time. If you want, you could throw it in the oven. If this thing is not doing as good as I want it in a couple minutes, then I'm going to throw water around here and let steam melt this. But this thing is hot, so it should melt itself. Alright, YouTube, so to help this melt a little bit, we're going to take this water and watch. You see that? Now put the cover back on and turn this stove up to medium, and I will see you at the cutting board. Alright, so there you have it, YouTube. Your Mayo Cheese Bread. Look at that. You can use whatever cheese you want, and you can use whatever bread you want. So this is a bonus Sunday upload. You be safe. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, or if it's Monday where you are. And I will see you tomorrow for the typical upload. Be safe. God bless.